most people were taught. The Bible didn't arrive as one complete book. It was assembled over centuries by councils of men. These councils debated, voted, and decided which writings were inspired and which were executed. Some books didn't disappear because they were false. They disappeared because they raised uncomfortable questions. Uncomfortable questions about authority, about direct existence, about power not needing intermediaries. And that matters because when you control which stories are told, you shape how people understand God themselves, and their place in the world. So the real question isn't, is the Bible true? It's, whose truth made the final edit and why? And what might we discover if we were encouraged to read everything, not just what survived the vote? That's not rebellion. That's discernment. I love you all.